Hello, and welcome to the Ministry of Education's webinar series for primary school teachers. In this week's episode, we will discuss about a teaching strategy that you can utilize for your mathematics lessons. This strategy is called the CPA approach. CPA is an acronym for concrete, pictorial, and abstract, and these represent the three steps present in this strategy. CPA has a marked advantage over the other teaching strategies because it takes into account the students' varied learning styles that are present in our everyday classroom, which can be a daunting task for us teachers to accommodate. So for the next 2 minutes, we'll discuss how we can use the CPA approach to teach the concept that many students struggle to conceptualize, which is fractions. First, we begin with a concrete example of fractions, things that the students can feel or manipulate using their fingers. We can use items like fraction discs or fraction wheels to illustrate the concept of parts and whole. Also, make sure that the students are able to interact with these concrete examples by allowing them to touch or feel these objects. The second step involves replacing the concrete examples with pictorial forms. These pictorial forms can take the form of pictures or drawings. It's imperative that students are given an opportunity to interact with these pictorial forms by allowing them to shade or to color these pictures. The last step involves the abstract representation of the concept. In order to bridge the gap between the pictorial form and the abstract stage, we need to consider the quality of our questions and our explanations. In our example, we ask questions such as how many parts are shaded and how many parts are there altogether. Students would respond and the abstract form would be written down as such. Afterwards, we ask the students to explain how did we derive at the abstract form. So with that, we've come to the end of the webinar. We hope that you've benefited from this week's pedagogical exchange. Do look out for the next episode where we will discuss about creative writing strategies for English lessons. Until then, let's keep the love of learning alive by continuing to teach, encourage, praise, guide, and always inspire.